Oh, hey y'all, I decided to it's getting a little windy, and I got this hoodie from when I went to Rome a year or two ago. I can't remember, but I'm coming to you today and talking to you about my November favorites. I can't believe it's already that time of year where I'm talking about one of the last month's worth of favorite products, and it's almost a new year, and which is crazy. Not only a new year, but a new decade. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because you do not want to miss out on all the good things coming in 2020. You can expect to see makeup, hair, beauty, lifestyle tips and tricks, along with women empowerment. So you don't want to miss out on this journey. Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about 5 of my November favorite products. These are products that I did not necessarily purchase in November, but they were products that I was using a lot. If you haven't seen all of my other favorite videos, be sure to check out this playlist here, because I tell you so many good products, and then I even make sure you know that there's a way for you to purchase them if you want to, by leaving the links below. That's enough talking. Let's get right into the video. So the first product I'm going to be talking about, this is going to seem a little weird, but it is something that I've just started using more and more in my beauty routine, in my lifestyle routine, and that is baking soda. So I have this in here because I don't want it to necessarily dry out, and this is the best way I've found to make this as helpful. You can use baking soda for so many different things. I mean, growing up, my mom used to use this for everything, but I recently got this again, because not necessarily for baking, but because I use it now when I'm brushing my teeth. I try to use it daily, if not, 1 to 2 times a week, and I really find that I'm saving money without having to go to somebody to get my teeth whitened, because as you can see, they're definitely more whitened than they haven't been. And like, outside of using baking soda, I use Colgate toothpaste, which if it's like a whitening kind or something like that, I find that has been helping. And then I also do like a charcoal scrub, maybe like once or twice a month, and I find that this also helps. I am not trying to get rid of the enamel or anything. I'm just wanting to keep my teeth white, looking healthy, brushing 2 to 3 times a day, and so adding baking soda to my routine has definitely helped with that. The next product we're going to be talking about is 2 makeup, so 1 makeup product and then 1 makeup tool. So the first makeup product that we're going to be talking about, that I actually have it on today, is this Juvia's Place foundation. So this is a full coverage foundation, and I'm learning that the base of any makeup application is so important. So you have the skin prep, and then when you put on a face of foundation, it's really to help create a clean slate and an even playing field for when you apply all the other concealers, highlighters, bronzers, contours, blushes. You want to make sure that the face is even. So that's why I find foundation is helpful, even if you're using a combination of the 2. But I decided to purchase this Juvia's Place Velvet Matte Foundation a while back, and I was hesitant because it had like an orange tint to it. And what I'm noticing is that when I was applying it, it was orange, but it was also cool. It's hard to explain, so I will be sure to show you what that looks like. But when you're applying a little bit, it settles on your skin or wherever you apply it first. It's more of like a cool tone, but then when you start applying it to your skin, I find that it does get a little orange, but the more I evened it out, it kind of gave me this clean slate and fit perfectly with my skin before applying my concealer. So I am very happy with this full coverage foundation. Like I said, I did apply a few, not a few layers, but in certain areas where I had dark spots, I applied a little bit more there, and I didn't have to do any color correcting or anything like that because it just gave me a clean look and it covered up those dark spots. The next product I'm going to be talking about is this Real Techniques brush. And it is a little dirty because I used it today, but I am obsessed, like obsessed. Like I plan to buy so many more of these. But this is like a under eye setting powder. It can be used as a highlight brush. It just, I just get so excited because I'm like, I always need to have this in my kit when I'm using for my clients. I always need to have it in my kit for my personal. And it's really good for setting under the eye with powder. Like let's say you don't want to necessarily bake, but you want to set the under eye. This product here, this brush here, perfect. And then it's also perfect for the highlight. Ooh, highlight pop, and I applied it with my fingers today and it looks good. So be sure to get this. I will leave an Amazon link to this down below, but you can also purchase this from your local Ulta Beauty. All right, we're shifting gears a little bit more. I'm gonna shift to hair. Speaking of my hair, I just have this twist out, and let me tell you, the shrinkage is mad real. Okay, shrinkage. But that's okay with me. I like to know that, like, if I have this shrinkage and it's a good amount of shrinkage, that, you know, my hair is healthy, living its best life. And I have multiple hair tutorial videos. I'm considering starting some beauty hair consulting business, I should say. So if that is something you're interested in, be sure to leave a comment down below so I can use you as one of my first clients. So speaking of, I picked up this Orchard and White Truffle leave-in or moisture rich conditioner, and let me tell you, first off, this stuff smells amazing. I don't know if it's the white truffle, the orchard, I don't know what it is, but it smells so good. And you know what I love is that it really moisturizes my hair. I try to use this at least once to 2 times a week, even if I'm not necessarily washing my hair, but I know my hair needs a little bit more moisture. I'm using this in my hair, letting the steam really let it sit in, and then rinsing it out. It is free of sulfates, parabens, gluten, drying alcohols, and other artificial colors. I really love this. I think I purchased this from my Big Lots or Big Lots. Because there's one near me, but I think you can purchase it from other areas. I'll be sure to see if I can find it on Amazon for you. And it's a good size, and like I said, I use a lot of product in my hair. Even if a product says use a dime size, I'm using a buttload, and I find that, you know, even after one go through of the product, then my hair all automatically feels different and it feels so moisturized. They do have other Orchard brands or lines, and I think they also, it rehydrates and adds shines, and that is exactly what it does for my hair, and I am loving this product. The last product is neither hair nor makeup, but it's more of a lifestyle product, and let me tell you, I just love candles. I try to keep candles in my house because I like the way they leave my house smelling. So if I have it going for a few hours, I try to have one in every room. And anytime I just feel like my house has like a weird scent or a weird smell, I try to light all the candles, and I just love what candles do for as far as smells. This one is a vanilla pumpkin, and this is actually a soy wax blend candle, so soy. But what I love is that the pumpkin smell, because you know the holidays are here and that smell is amazing. And then the vanilla, you can never go wrong with vanilla. Vanilla anything is right on par. So love candles. Leave a comment down below if you're also the same way, or what you like to use to freshen up your house. Well, that is all for this video. In this video, we went over 5 products that I use a lot in November, and I plan to continue to use in my routine. I do try to mention new videos new products every month, so it's a variety, but there are months where I'm using the same things over and over, and we'll try a new thing here, do the new thing there. I think hair products are always evolving because I use those months at a time depending on what they do to my hair. And then of course there's other lifestyle things that come in and out. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out these 2 videos here, and if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.